Meaning of government and binding theory.
Government and binding theory.
Government and binding theory.
Government and binding theory.
Government and binding theory. Government and binding theory is a linguistic theory that was proposed by Noam Chomsky in the 1980s. The theory aims to explain how human language is acquired, represented, and processed in the human mind. The theory suggests that a small number of fundamental principles govern the underlying structure of natural languages. These principles include government, binding, and case theory. According to the theory, all phrases in a sentence are assigned certain structural roles, and these roles are then used to determine which words can appear where in the sentence.